The islands of Hawaii are famous for their stunning landscapes. From reefs to cliffs to sandy shores. But all this natural beauty hasn't been here forever. Hawaii's islands emerged from the ocean over millions of years and are still changing today. Why? Because each of these islands is a part of a shield volcano. Let's rewind time and take a closer look at the life of an island shield volcano. It starts with a volcanic eruption at the bottom of the ocean. When the lava meets the ocean water, it cools and hardens into rock. Over time, layers of cooled lava build up, and the volcano grows up toward the ocean's surface. Hawaii's youngest volcano, Loihi, is at this stage right now. It's been growing for the last 400,000 years. And within another 100,000 years, it'll be tall enough to poke above the waves. When a shield volcano reaches the surface, it creates an island. Lava continues to flow down the sides of the volcano, making it taller and heavier. This causes it to start sinking down into the crust. So while new layers of rock are still being added, slow, continuous sinking limits how tall the volcano grows. Some parts of the island of Hawaii are sinking a few millimeters every year due to the weight of new rock from volcanic eruptions. Meanwhile, waves, wind, and rain gradually erode the volcano, changing its shape and causing sand from the eroded rock to build up. This creates areas of shallow water, perfect for coral reefs. Large landslides can also create steep cliffs, like these along the coast of Maui. But that's still not the end of the story. Over time, shield volcanoes can sink and erode so much they become submerged. If the reefs around them continue to grow, they can form a ring-shaped island, like Hawaii's Kuri Atoll. Eventually, however, even these bits of land will disappear beneath the water. The whole process takes millions of years. And Hawaii's islands include shield volcanoes at every stage. From underwater eruptions to changing islands, and then back beneath the waves.